Begin by taking some deep breaths, getting into a relaxing position, taking some time to feel your body, feeling into your sit bones. If you have your feet on the floor, feeling your feet where they touch the ground, and just taking some deep breaths into your body. Inhale and exhale in whatever way feels right for you. Noticing that you don't have to force your breath. Breathing just happens on its own without even thinking about it. It's almost like life is breathing you. And begin to watch your breath, almost like you're watching the ocean waves going in and out. Letting yourself come back. Letting go of all the other people that your mind might be concerned about. Any of the tasks that you are feeling like you need to get done, or anything else that your mind might be circling around. Just breathing it out and coming back to yourself. Inhale and exhale. And as you're breathing, begin to imagine yourself in a place of power. This could be a really powerful place in nature, or it could be inside of a temple or a church or a ruin that you might have visited, a volcano, or a powerful place near water. A place that feels powerful. And imagine yourself there in that place, sitting on the ground. Seeing if you can imagine what it's like to be in that place of power. What's around you? What do you notice? What are the sounds of this place? What does the light look like? What does it feel like? And as you breathe into this place of power, imagine that there's an energy that pours from it, a feeling of strength and wisdom. And imagine that that energy or power is directly connected to the universe or source. It's connected to the center or core of creation. And the power of this place is a part of you, and it's connected to the greater and wiser self. This power is part of all of life. Imagine this power, this source energy, surrounding your body. Breathing that power in, allowing it to fill you. And as you breathe that power in, letting it support any area of your body that needs it. Breathing it in, filling up and healing any part of you that needs healing, soothing any part of you that needs soothing. breathing this life energy into yourself, and imagine it strengthening you. As you feel this power filling you, you remember that you are a creator. As you breathe into the power of this place, you remember that power flows through you and that you have chosen this life to make things and to be a creator. Allowing yourself to remember and to come back to who you are. Breathing in the power of this place, breathing in your power all the way through your body. And if you notice that any part of your body or your system, the power has waned, allow the power of this place to fill you back up, to strengthen you. And there's nothing you need to do to direct it. You just have to receive it. Let it flow through you. Remembering who you are and what you're here to create. You may have reasons specifically that you're here on this planet. Let yourself remember those as you feel into your power, breathing into yourself as creator. And notice that you're also here to create relationships, that this is a fundamental thing you're here to participate in. You are a creator of relationships. Inside of relationships, you get to experience yourself in the way that you want to. And as a creator, you get to receive in relationships. Because that's who you are. You are connected to all of life. And you have created connection and relationships before. Notice the power of creation that you've had in the past relationships that have been fulfilling. Whether they were friendships, relationships with teachers or coworkers, or through partnership, maybe through animal relationships. Notice that you have created relationships that have helped you and supported you and felt good to you in your life. In some area of your life, you have created those relationships. You have brought those people to you. So notice that right now. And breathe into the power that you have to create those relationships. Creating those relationships may not have always been easy, but at some point in your life, you created supportive people who nurtured you and taught you. You have the power to create connection again, because connection is what is true. You are connected to all of life. See if you can breathe into your power to create the kinds of relationships that you want in your life. Letting that power of creation flow through you. Breathing into your agency, your capacity to create. Letting the power of this place fill you and strengthen you. Letting yourself feel the agency that you have to be the creator in relationships. Letting that into your body and noticing what it feels like to have the power to create the relationships that you want. Breathing it through your chest, through your center, down your spine, all the way out through your legs, out your arms, and up through your head. Feeling the power of your creation move through your entire body. Letting that power reach up above you to the sky and down to the earth. Knowing yourself as the creator that you are. Taking some deep breaths into this experience, and from this place, allow some actions to flow around creating relationships. Notice actions that are aligned with the relationships you want to create and who you are. What are a couple actions that you want to take towards being a creator in relationships? Don't think too hard about it. Allow whatever wants to come through to come through. Acknowledging anything that comes from this place of creator. Giving thanks to yourself for taking the time to reconnect. And knowing that you can come back to this place at any time. Breathing in the power of this place once more. Letting it strengthen your body, strengthen your will. Gently coming back to your body in the here and now. Letting this meditation fuel and energize you. Bringing back anything that is important. Feeling supported and strengthened as the creator that you are. Softly opening your eyes, coming back to where you're sitting. Ready and able to take actions to create the kinds of relationships that you want to experience in life.